Hey guys, Tom here, Off Leash Canine Training. I have with me Winston. Winston is a 1.5-year-old Goldendoodle. Cute as can be, but boy, does he need some manners. He jumps up on his owners all the time when grandma comes to visit, jumps up on grandma, practically knocks her over. Any chance he gets, if the door's open, he darts out the front door. His owners can't take him on a walk, even just around the neighborhood with minimal distractions. So I'm gonna fix all that. I have Winston for 7 days. I look forward to showing you his progress.
Yeah, ready.